Quick Start Guide for Signal Generator. Signal Generator function of DST-201. After powering on the main menu screen, use the left and right buttons to switch functions. Select Signal Generator. Press the Confirm button to enter the function. Use the up and down buttons to switch waveforms. There are 13 waveforms in total. Among these waveform signals, other waveform signals are more suitable for motherboard repair. The DC signal can be used for peripheral circuits. You can use these waveform signals to simulate signals. There are 2 channels on the top of the device. The left DDS port is for the signal generator, the right DSO port is for the oscilloscope. Select a probe. Insert the probe into the DDS signal output port. Rotate to lock it. We also need to use a multimeter to measure voltage. Connect the multimeter leads and alligator clips. Press the Run button on the front panel. To control pause and signal output, press the Enter button. To enter DC signal parameter adjustment, switch to the amplitude option. Press Enter again. Use the left and right buttons to change the digit position. You can adjust from 0 to 3 volts. Press the Return button to exit. You can also adjust the frequency. Press the Enter button to enter. Press the Return button to exit. The same operation applies to other waveforms. You can also adjust the frequency and duty cycle. The duty cycle adjustment is only available for square waves. Finally, within the function, press the Power button to return to the main menu. That's how to use the signal generator. You can click the home page for more information. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our technical support.